everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Carrie. I am a mom of two and originally from Hawaii, but we moved to California. But for the summer now, we are back in Hawaii. Also wanted to say thank you if you've been subscribed to my channel or you're following along on my journey. Just wanted to say thank you. My channel reached 10,000 subscribers, which is amazing. And honestly, for me, I just keep posting content and I don't know, it just keeps growing a little bit at a time. But anyway, just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate the support and I always appreciate all of the supportive comments and all the things that people want to share with me. So we are back in Hawaii for the summer. Kids are loving spending time with their family and I'm working here with my family's organization, Ohana Arts. We do a summer program here and so I've been doing that every day. It's been pretty busy. It's been pretty jam-packed. So it's going by very, very quickly, but just enjoying, being here, spending time with family. And yeah, so come along with us this weekend as we spend our weekend in Hawaii.
So when I was growing up, it was not called lilik, we called it po.
Po'o, like head?
Poka. And it was purple. So maybe it was a slightly different version of this, but all we did was we would just, and it would pop open. But this is not popping open. So, but you can't eat you're gonna only eat the inside. So maybe we should just cut it. So
How are we eating the lilikoi?
So we just use our finger. Yeah. If you want to be more gentrified, we can use a spoon.
Is that what you do?
Well, this is when we were growing up. Because,
That's how you ate it?
You just eat it.
You just eat too?
You just eat. You don't chew it, just swallow it.
It's kind of sour. It's good though.
Yeah.
So I went to the Manoa Marketplace Farmers Market today, and a few things that I got are some of these lilikois and some mango, some bananas, and my favorite and most expensive purchase is lychee. So good, so worth it. $12 a pound, but when in Hawaii, you gotta do it. They also had Big Island strawberries, so had to get some of these. California ones might be sweeter. Very good. Good morning. For breakfast today, we're just doing some basic eggs. And from the farmer's market last week or a few days ago, I got some, well, this is actually from, I think the papaya I got from Don Quixote. This is the kahuku papaya, and I got lychee, some lilikoi, and yeah, I feel like now that I live away, I really value the local fruit, and I will do as much as I can to make sure that my kids and myself and we can enjoy it while we're here, especially in the summer. Like, it's the best time for lychee and I mean papaya is year round, but lychee and mango, best time for those two things. Also, if you notice, Reed is not, you haven't seen Reed in the vlog, and he's not always in my vlogs, but he actually is in California. So as we're here with the children, and mainly because I'm here to direct for Ohana Arts, he came, he dropped us off, we flew here together. He's going back, he's working, and then he's gonna come back and pick us up, essentially. So that's kind of how it's working out, and it's fine, obviously, because I have family here, a lot of help here, and so it works. But yeah, so we're apart for a few weeks, which is okay. Of course we're managing, but of course we miss him as well. So I did bring my starter home from California. I put it in my suitcase. And this here is what it looks like now. It's ready to use. We're at Kathy's house. I'm sure everybody missed the family. Everyone say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
This is like so fun.
So fun. What are we eating, Mom? What's for dinner tonight?
Just sour bread.
Lentil.
Sour bread. What did you
even
make?
water.
What did you make?
I made lentil spaghetti with thin spaghetti noodles. And I brought Parmesan cheese that apparently doesn't belong to me, but we're gonna.
It's all in the
Wow.
family.
What?
I brought Parmesan cheese that doesn't belong to me. But this is what Mom brought. Mom brought bread. Oh, this is, so we made this bread. This was sourdough bread that we made.
It's on the stove.
With the sauce. Tell me, what else is
It's
dinner?
called Italian Delight. Right here we have with cheese, without cheese, because my kids don't like the cheese. So
Oh.
yeah, and we have salad.
Been a while since I've had your Italian delight. I'm excited to be delighted by your dish. Oh, I'm making sourdough chocolate chip cookies with our sourdough discard.
It's called fear mongering.
Anyway, this is dinner tonight back in Hawaii. Excited.
It's good though.
Yeah? Like it? First taste test of chocolate chip sourdough cookies.
Actually, this is my second tonight.
Okay.
I had one earlier. It's a little crispy.
How does it taste?
It's light. And I can taste the chocolate chips. Not really sweet. Good. I really like it. That's why I said I would do a taste test because I already had, this would be my second.
How do you like the sourdough that we've been making at your house?
I love it.
I wanted to thank FKRO for sending me this Hojicha green tea powder. And so I looked up like what the difference between matcha and Hojicha is, and so Hojicha and matcha are from the same plant, but Hojicha is roasted leaves. So I think when you do matcha, it's like from the they get the leaf and they kind of just ground it from its original state. These are roasted leaves, so it has a different flavor. It's more of like a caramel cocoa flavor. And I think in general the tea is brown. So we're going to, Kathy's warming up some water and we're gonna try some Hojicha. So Hojicha powder is like this dark brown. It smells like green, or it just smells like, tea.
What is that?
Matcha powder. Trying like a Hojicha latte. It's a lot more bitter. So I added some milk. Hojicha latte is pretty good.
Oh, I know what we could ask, Mojo.
Well, I drink it in Japan. I like it cold and hot actually.
Oh,
But-
okay.
We'll try this.
So do you drink it like in the nighttime, or when would you drink Hojicha?
I mean, it's just the same thing as a matcha. It's the same, but this is like a little dark.
Sorry, I followed the directions, so I
No,
mean,
you did not. I said just use 1 teaspoon.
I didn't follow the directions apparently. But I mean, I tried my best.
I'm so sorry. That was just in the
It was during the dress, but I felt so bad. I'm so sorry.
oh, it does.
Good. Yeah. You put a little, yeah, you put a little
Got a
sweetener.
bit of sweetener in it.
A little bitter otherwise. Good. Good.
You like it?
It's good when it's hot too. That's why. I just put coconut milk, or I'm just gonna kind of like one of these milks. Put it out.
Non-dairy milk.
Or-
And
yeah,
she
or-
put some honey in it. Yeah?
No, this is
Oh,
agave.
agave. She put some agave.
Agave.
Okay. Let's see, what do we get from Masa and Joyce's?
We got kabocha, green beans, kimpira gobo, saba, inari, and sushi.
Yes, and for the children and me, we got some katsu, some musubis, some tofu. What is this one? This is a ahi patty. Oh, this is a lot of food. And some long rice. I wanted to get some kind of noodle.
We are going fishing at Ho'omaluhi'a.
How did you guys come up with this?
This is Kyle's idea, so he's the one you should be talking to. I just made a reservation. That's all.
So you need a reservation?
Yes, but they do allow walk-ins. So right now we only have 3 reservations, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do.
Why do we only have 3 reservations?
I don't know. I thought there were 8, and I can't find the other one.
Probably didn't have her glasses, so then it was
Oh no!
but it's only actually.
Oh, it's only 3 people can go.
Kyle, what are you doing right now?
Hooks on pole. Hook and line and weight on poles.
Chili and then cook it and then eat it. And then class, you cook it.
Nap time for
Is Ren still here?
Hi!
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Walking to the fishing grounds.
This is This is Kyle's dream. He wanted to bring the kids fishing.
You guys excited to fish, girls?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.